Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann. Today I have for you the Allure, I love that name, beauty box. Of course, there used to be a magazine called Allure. Is it still out there? At any rate, we are going to be unboxing this one today, and I also have one more item in here that I purchased with a really awesome discount code I got when I ordered this box, and I can share that with you too. Let's get into it. Well, today I am bringing you the Allure Beauty Box. I've seen several unboxers do this one, primarily Subscription Sisters. I did use her link to get this at a really nice discount, but I'm really excited to open this one because I've been very curious about what's inside. I want to tell you a few things about it. I have another product and I'll explain that when I tell you all the things. Here we go. I need to look at my phone. You never get the same product twice in these. I've noticed that that's a problem with some of these boxes is the unboxer will go, I had this a couple months ago, or sometimes even 2 months in a row. So they say you never get the same one twice here. You get 7 new products. This box is supposed to be $134 value, and it includes 4 full-sized items, and I believe 4 full-sized items is standard for the Allure Beauty Box. And new subscribers get a bonus free $25 credit to the member store. And that is a store where you can get up to 80% off of retail. So that's what this is right here. And I think this is either a vitamin C or a retinol cream. I'm finding that my skin, which had been sensitive, I thought, as I'm using some of these higher end products from the boxes that I'm purchasing to share with you, my skin is responding pretty well to quite a few of them. So I think maybe it had something to do with the quality of the products I was using. So I'm really enjoying the skincare, although I'm also a makeup junkie and I'm hoping that makeup comes in this one as well. So that's what I got that with. I got it for $5 plus $4.95 shipping, if I remember correctly. So great price on that. And so if you subscribe, that you can either get the monthly plan, which is just 1 month for $23 per box, and it's billed monthly. Plus you get the Kaya Beauty Bento Eyeshadow Trio, and you get that with all 3 of these plans. Then there's a quarterly plan that is $20 per box. You pay $60 and it's billed every 3 months. You also get the eyeshadow trio with that, or you can pay $228 annually for $19 a box total. So that saves you about $4 a box off the monthly, and you also get the eyeshadow palette with that. Plus, if you subscribe new, even if you just get a one-time box like I did, you get that $25 certificate to their online store. So let's start with what I got from the online store. So in here is the Retinol Reform by Shani Darren Skincare. This was regular $88. The price on their website was $30, but with the $25 discount I got for subscribing the first time, I got this for $5 plus $4.95 plus tax. So that's awesome. This is an award-winning retinol serum, and it is sealed. Of course it is. These seals are the bane of my existence. You'd think I would pull these things out and I would go ahead and seal them, unseal them before I unbox, but do I think to do that? No. But I also want to be surprised with you guys and give you genuine reactions. It's sealed well, by the way. Yep. Let's see. Does that say that's an Allure? Yeah, it's an Allure award in 2020. Yeah, the Best of Beauty is what this one. So it says visible results clinically proven in just 8 weeks to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brightness, texture, and elasticity. And I do use a retinol right now from Neutrogena, but I'm going to sub it in for this. So that's what it looks like. And I am really excited to try that and see how my skin reacts to it. I have full disclosure for you. I've already unboxed this. I did it once and I missed a product, and I did it in an order after I read the little pamphlet in here. I just did it in a way that didn't make as much sense. So I'm re-recording this. So you're not getting my genuine reactions because I've already seen everything in here. I'll give you a little spoiler. It's really good. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and let's do this together in a way that will make more sense for you than if we did it the way I did it a minute ago. So when you open up the box, of course it was a little bit nicer, but it's covered over with tissue paper. And this right here explains that every single product that goes inside your beauty box has been vetted, researched, and selected by their editors. And it's a great box. So at the top is this little pamphlet, and it covers the different items that are in here. And I'm actually going to refer to this as we go through the box, and I'm going to go through in order so I don't get lost and don't have to flip back and forth finding things, which I was doing before. Then we have a little flyer in here that talks about the Floral Street and Van Gogh Museum Fragrance and Home Collection that they are now selling on their site, and spotlight on serums. By the way, if you use my link below, I can't remember if I said it at the intro because it's been so long since I've done it, but if you use my link below, you'll save $10 off of your first box, and I will get a $10 credit with them as well. The other thing you will get is the eyeshadow trio that is included in here, which I think is really great. So I got an extra product, and then they just explain on this little flyer what you get every month and what you can expect. Okay, so let's start with the bonus eyeshadow trio that I got. Was as the bonus for ordering in the month, getting the November box. This thing came so well packaged. This was one of the reasons why I re-recorded. This particular product had all sorts of bubble wrap around it. Then this box was very well sealed, and then this had a sealing tape over it. Took me forever to get it open, but this is by Kaja, K-A-J-A. It is a Korean brand. They say it is a matte and trying to read without my glasses. Matte and shimmer. So 3 different eyeshadow products. There is, let me take the little thing off, there is a mirror on the top. So like if you're traveling with it, and then that's a shimmery light color right there. And then underneath it, of course, is going to be a mid-tone color, mid-tone brown. And then underneath that is a darker brown. So that's a nice product. This retails, by the way, for $26, and this is the full-size product. So that's pretty awesome. Not really my colors, and I think I'm going to probably give this to my oldest daughter for Christmas. Erin, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but you don't normally watch my videos, so you just spoiled your own Christmas present. All right, let's get into the products in the box, and I have to put my glasses on this. So first of all, we have, that was my other product, that we have the Fleur & Bee Just Do It Hydrating Serum. And this is actually going to be a friend with another product that will come up in a little bit. And it says prickly pear seed oil and sea buckthorn oil instantly hydrate skin. So it's a simple but wildly effective duo that leaves no trace of stickiness behind. Love that. I will get good use out of that. So that's one of the full-sized products. Next up, we have the Belief Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Serum. That is right here. And about this one, it says it has radiance boosting vitamin C, moisture, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and soothing vitamin E to give you glossier skin that's bouncing with moisture. So that sounds like a relief. This is a sample size. This is just 0.33 fluid ounce, but the full size is 1.69 ounce, and it goes for $43. Did I discuss the price on the first product? The Just Do It Hydrating Serum is regularly is $34, and this is a full size. All right. So next up, we have the Saturday Skin Yazoo Vitamin C Bright Eye Serum. And this one has antioxidant vitamin C and niacinamide infused formula, coddles the delicate eye area and helps brighten it over time. I'll take it out and show you what it is. This is also a full-size product. It's half an ounce, and this retails for $32. So this just says Saturday Skin, very simple packaging. Another full-size product. I will enjoy this one. I'm finding that these higher end eye creams don't give me the little white bumps under my eyes like the drugstore brands do. I really do think my problem all along may have been I was using cheaper brands because these higher end ones seem to really help. Oh, hang on. I got to go grab one of the products. So when I repackaged this up, I forgot to grab this one out of my giveaway box. This is the Viore shampoo and conditioner bars. And the reason why I put it in my giveaway box, these are, I don't know if these are the sample size or the regular, but they're a musk smell, and musk smells give me a headache. So I was like, I got to get this out of here. So one of my viewers will likely be getting this later unless I find somebody who I know who wants it. But they come packaged like this. So one is a shampoo bar, one is a conditioner bar. And I have had shampoo and conditioner bars before, and I was excited for this, but it wound up being a scent that I can't handle. So someone else will get this one. These retail the full size for $33 for the bundle, and it said it leaves hair surprisingly clean and conditioned without a single plastic bottle. And it says the sweet musk scent is both fresh and comforting, unless you're me. And if you enter Allure 20 at checkout, you receive 20% off this if you buy it in full size. Is that happening with the other samples? No, not necessarily. Okay, so there's that. Somebody will be getting that. Now next up, this is the product I missed when I unboxed it the first time because it was shoved to the side and I didn't see it. So this is the True and Luscious Brow Definer. It's a long wear eyebrow pencil, and it comes in different shades, but this one is taupe, which I think they asked me, am I giving you the, there we go. I think they asked me for what color would work for me on this one. And I said taupe, because I like to go a little bit lighter on my eyebrow color. So that is in there. That one retails for $20, and that is a full-size product as well. Next up, we have Big by Definition Mascara by Sephora. This surprised me because it's a Sephora product, and I didn't think that a Sephora product would be in a beauty box. You'd think things like Sephora and Allure wouldn't, Sephora and Ulta wouldn't be in here. This is a sample size. The full size does retail for $12. It is a volumizing and helps make your lashes look fuller. I like that. I don't tend to go in for lengthening mascaras because my lashes can hit my glasses. I have quite long lashes, but they're not quite as thick as they were before, even though they're still pretty thick. So the volumizing works for me. Again, this is a sample size. This is 0.06 ounce, so very small, but I'll get to try a new mascara, which will be fine. And again, the full size retails for $12. Alrighty, next up, we have, I can't say the name of this right. I will just be the fear. I'm gonna put it up here so you can see it. Is that Donjinbi? But it's a red ginseng daily defense EX. I don't know, EX. Let me take it out of the package. The packaging on this is beautiful, and this is what goes after the Just Do It. And that was the hydrating serum. So this, you do this first, and then this one's gonna come after it. They are a pair. This is a sample size at, I think this was 0.5 milliliters. 5 milliliters. The regular size is 30 milliliters and it retails for $66. And this is, it says there's a reason hydrating essences are so popular in Korea. They make skin brighter, dewier, and they layer seamlessly. This is light as water and rich in firming red ginseng for happy, hydrated, bouncy skin. So you layer it under this. Okay, I messed that up. So this comes first, then this. I have the duo now, so both of them. So that's going to be fun to try. Then we have the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. This is the sponsor of the box, and this one slows away dullness, grime, and dead skin cells. It's a creamy, just a little gritty treatment. And over time, it can help your pores, look smaller. And this, I believe, is a sample size at 0.71 ounce, but the full size is 4.23 ounce, and it retails for $34. And then lastly, this is a little sample of the Body Shop Edelweiss Intense Smoothing Cream. That's just a little bonus, along with a coupon for 15% off of anything out of the Body Shop. And it says, hello, say hello to stronger, smoother skin. There we go. Alrighty, so for $23 in this box, we got full size, not including the eyeshadow that was a bonus with the November box. We got the Florin B Just Do It Hydrating Serum. We got the Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream by Yazoo. And we have the Brow Definer. So those three things came in the box. And then we got the samples of the shampoo and conditioner bar. This is the Belief Brightening C Cream, the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator, and the name I cannot pronounce that goes underneath the other cream that was full size. Is this a serum? I'm trying to recall. Daily Defense X. So those are our samples. Oh, and the mascara. So I think for $23, this was a great box. You can get it for $13 if you use my code down below. And I think we are finally done. If you could give this video a very quick like, I would appreciate it. That helps us in the algorithm, the all-important algorithm, and also helps other people to find this video who like these types of videos. If you've not subscribed and you like all types of unboxings, if anything will come out of a box, I will unbox it for the most part. Would absolutely be honored if you would consider subscribing. Comment down below. I have so much fun commenting and interacting with you guys. That's the best part for me. And hit that notification bell if you would like notification of upcoming videos. And with that, I will let you go. We will see you on the next one in this, my birthday month, November. Yay! Bye-bye and be blessed. Hey everyone, welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. Today I have for you the, did I already do this? Let me check it. Did I already do this intro?